Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. I happen to be in my home office. I'm using my GoPro camera to make a video that I'm going to place on YouTube. Let me take you a quick tour of my office here. Over here happens to be my wife's computer. And then it looks like NASA, but here are my screens and my computers here. Total, I have 4 computers and about 7 screens, okay? Now today I'm going to be talking about the 318,000 lead swap leads that I received. So I'm going to take a close-up of my laptop computer monitor here. If you go to HarveySilverFox.com, you're going to be able to access this platform here, where my tools are at and my training's at. I have a lot of tools and I have a lot of training videos. In fact, everything that you need to build your business is on this platform. As we scroll down here, you're going to see that you're going to be able to get access to 2,000 leads right here. They're free. So let's click through. Now, when you do click through, first thing you want to do is click here, Start. And this is where you're going to pick up your leads. You're going to click here. Now make sure that you do go through my instructions. Very important that you follow my instructions. You just can't send these leads out on your Aweber. You can't send them out on your typical, like Gmail. You can, but here are the instructions here on how to do it. So make sure you pay attention to this warning here, okay? As you work your way down here, if you want access to these, I say 200,000 leads every week. In this case here, I received 318,000 leads this week. That's every week, okay? You can receive those leads. I want you to do is click here to get started. Then once you join, you're going to follow the instructions here. Next lesson. Here's the instructions for requesting those leads every week. I have a video here. All right, I have a lot of videos. Then go here and you're going to find that every time I receive leads each week, I post those leads. I post proof that I received those leads. And you're going to find them by going through these lessons here. So this week was 295,000. This week was 306,000. And this week, right now, I received 318,000 lead swap leads, okay? Now, here's what the leads look like. They're coming on an Excel spreadsheet here. And right now, I'm not going to take you through all of them, but right now, if I scroll all the way down, you're going to see 318,000 leads. So these are all verified leads. Here's the domain group. Here's the day they came in, September 20th. In fact, it's October 7th right now, so you can tell they are fresh. Here's the first name. Of course, the email is over here, right there. And IP address, city, state, zip, etc., etc. So what you want to do when you land on this page here, HarveySilverFox.com, is come down here and start right here. Now, as you work your way down, you're going to see that you can pick up expired domain names with traffic already going to them every day. In fact, Marty and I found some domain names the other day that had 1,000 visitors going to them every day, going to that one domain name every day. And you can pick those domain names up for $15. So the training is all behind this door here. Now over here happens to be how I'm going to rank this video. I have over 1,000 videos out there. I try to make a video every day. For the last 15 years, I've been making videos. And in just a minute, I'm going to give you an idea how I monetize those videos. Working our way down here, This is, like I say, a new project. My little GoPro camera here is a new project. So come down here, click here, and you're going to see that I am producing GoPro videos about scorpion hunting, Lake Powell. In fact, right here is the training on how to monetize your GoPro YouTube videos. In fact, if you scroll down into the description of this video, I'm going to show you how I've monetized this video. So let's go over here to this screen over here. Of course, this is a short video I made when I was on Lake Powell the other day on the houseboat. That's the houseboat I was on right there. And as you scroll down here, here's how I monetized this video with GoPro. An example would be, of course, the tip jar. On my GoPro videos, I try to put a tip jar. If somebody likes my video, they just give me a tip. You can do the same thing with your videos. Here's an example. Well, if you want a GoPro camera like I used to produce this video here, go here. And this happens to be an Amazon affiliate link. And down here is the DJI Phantom 3 drone. This is another Amazon. Now, each one of my videos, I have different themes: health, travel, interviews with entrepreneurs, fitness, hunting, cooking, recreation, scorpion hunting, weight loss, and any other passion I may have. And there again, I'm trying to give you some ideas how you can do the same thing that I do. Every day, I try to make a video. Some days, I make 2 or 3 videos. Working our way down here, here's a ClickBank product. And here's another ClickBank product. So, in other words, earn money while doing what you love. And I love making videos. These monetized videos work for me 24/7. And what a great feeling to wake up in the morning with an email notifications announcing you have money. All right. Okay, we're going to keep this video short. Working our way back here. Here's what you want to do. Go to HarveySilverFox.com. And like I say, this Make Money Online platform offers everything that you need to build your business. Until my next GoPro video, let's go make some money.